Let's move to the counties now, as the National Jamhuri Day celebrations were being held at Nyayo Stadium here in Nairobi. Counties across the country also marked the day with colorful events. Governors presided over ceremonies that featured parades, cultural performances, and speeches highlighting development achievements and challenges facing local communities. Catherine Imuraget brings us Jamhuri celebrations from different counties.
In several counties, leaders used the occasion to reaffirm their commitment to improving service delivery in sectors such as agriculture, health, and infrastructure. Tharaka Nithi Governor Muthomi Njuki now wants the national government to enter into partnership with counties that border national parks in a deal, akin to that with Kajiado and Narok counties in the case of Amboseli and Masai Mara parks, in a bid to financially benefit the communities in the counties.
Ndovu akitoka Meru National Park huwa hakuli mimea ama kuumiza watu wa area ingine isipokuwa watu wa Tharaka Nithi na wa Meru saa ingine. Kweli? So if there are people who deserve to have partnership ya hii park, ni watu wa Tharaka Nithi County na hiyo Kenya Wildlife Service ama tourism.
Mlima iko hapa Keria, kila siku inachomeka. Atumalizi siku mbili, wiki moja kama hakuna moto. Tafadhali, jihadhari. Na nakuambia ukweli na nakuhakikishia, hata mimi nitakuwa mstari ya mbele kukuja kupambana na wewe.
Wajir Governor, who is also a Council of Governors Chairperson Ahmed Abdullahi, has urged citizens to actively support the national development agenda.
With respect to devolution, we believe a lot more can be done by the current regime. We support it. We support the president. We buy into his vision.
Meanwhile, the Samburu County government has reiterated its call for peace and unity, particularly in areas along the Samburu border. County officials issued a stern warning to individuals involved in criminal activities, emphasizing that security agencies will take firm action to restore order and protect residents.
Sahi kuna program nzuri sana kama hii ya nyoka. Sahi vijana wanafaidika sana. Kwa hivyo tuachane na hii mambo ya kupigana kwa bunduki, kutumia bunduki kwa barabara, kuenda kuchukua, kuiba.
Mambo yetu itakaa mzuri. Kwa sababu mimi naongea na viongozi sio vijana wetu huko, nimeambia wakae mzuri, na bila mimi kufika huko hiyo vijana wangekuwa wamefahamwa na Borana na sasa hivi tungekuwa na cashbacks.
Elsewhere, Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru has urged the national government to sell the Mwea rice mills to local rice farmers, saying the proceeds from the facility jointly owned by farmers and government should directly benefit growers. The governor of Mombasa and chair of the Council of Governors Committee on Health, Abdul Swamad Sharif Nasir, on Jamhuri celebrations, expressed support for the Kenya United States Health Cooperation Framework, noting its potential to strengthen Kenya's health system, accelerated universal health coverage, and improve outcomes for millions of Kenyans.
Mimi nashindwa, kuna baadhi ya watu wameamua kwenda kupeleka program ile ambayo kwamba imewekwa sahihi na serikali kuu na serikali ya Amerika.
And finally, West Pokot Governor Simon Kachapina has urged politicians, elected leaders and citizens to shun oil campaigns, warning that premature politics could derail development. The governor also noted that insecurity in the county has reduced significantly, but cautioned that a few criminal elements were still active. Catherine Imuraget, KTN.
As Kenya marked its 62nd Jamhuri Day,